In this video, I'll be testing to see if laptops are bulletproof by shooting with multiple types of guns. America. This is a Crossman M4 BB gun. I'm going to be shooting it with a hollow point pellet than a normal classic pellet. Then I'm going to do the same to the screen. So the hollow point does nothing, and the pointed pellet actually shot through it. Hollow point. Classic. So this was the hollow point, and that's a basic pellet. So hollow points are actually weaker in this case of BB guns. But it's semi-bulletproof for a BB gun. But not until I pull out the Savage Mark II TRR. Savage. Ooh, it's not bulletproof. There's the bullet. It may be bulletproof to BB guns, but not to a 22. Shame. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that it's not gonna be bulletproof to a Mosin Nagant either. You know, if a 22 can do this. So I wouldn't use this as body armor. Ever. It's the M1895 Nagant. Soviet power versus Dell technology. I don't think it was bulletproof. No. It was not. I don't think this computer's going to start up for a while. Forever. Okay. I'm starting to think that computers are not bulletproof. Okay. Now I have to get the Nagant rifle. The Mosin Nagant. Extremely powerful. World War II military rifle for the Russians. Fires a pretty big bullet against this pretty small laptop. Let's see what it does. Wait, salt this. I don't think it survived. It took a pretty big chunk out of the wood. Made a little spiral shape out of the plastic. See, the disc can open up. Yeah, jam the disc thing. Whatever it's called. Powder. Yeah, I don't think it's going to survive. I don't think it did survive. Let's try turning it on. Nope. Doesn't work. Yeah, laptops are not bulletproof. Just in case you know. They never will be. Now I'm just going to shoot with A22 again. Yeah.
Oh, I was just shooting it around the middle.
That's the screen. Okay, well, it broke. Yeah, it's broken. Very much broken. Let's see. Mossberg 22. Here's a bullet from the Nagant. Okay. Computers are not bulletproof.
Wait. Yeah.
Sounds like screeching American Eagles to me. America. Looks like it's real, real nice American right here. Yes, America at its finest. At its finest. Gotta like 22s. That one not close. Okay. Okay.